Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE RedMagic 6R, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, and I will be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will give you this pop-up right here. It allows you to record, or what was it? Screen record for some reason, and share the image from here. And after a moment you can see that it disappears. Now once it disappears, you can locate your screenshot in your gallery application, and it will create under albums a folder called screenshots. And here you'll find obviously just screenshots. So there are the two that I have literally just captured. And sometimes it looks like it's the case in here as well. When you go into photos, you will basically find everything. So screenshots, screen recordings, photos, and so on. So it's all basically packed in here. But obviously if you're looking, if you're trying to find your screenshot sometime that you have captured way back, the easiest way would be under albums and screenshots. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.